chief guest, Mrs. Anita Mavi, a distinguished athlete and Asian Games gold medalist. We were also having with us guest of honor Dr. Alka Chauhan, but because of her engagements, she was having meetings, she left earlier. Then we are having with us respected Shri Gajanan Mali ji and principals of different schools. A warm welcome to members of management, especially Mr. Gaurav Gupta and Ms. Namrita ma'am for their valuable presence. I also welcome the parents and families who are here to support their children. It's difficult to navigate these past few weeks for children who are working hard and preparing for the main day. It's because of your affection and encouragement that we see our children in high spirits even after such tiring days. To begin, let's remember the words of wisdom, Vidya Dadati Vinayam, meaning knowledge imparts humility. This value guides us as we strive for excellence while staying grounded. At our school, we believe in the importance of holistic development. We strive to provide an environment where students not only excel academically but also grow in character and values. Sa Vidyaya Vimukte, which means true knowledge liberates, reflects our aim to educate beyond textbooks, fostering a love for learning, a sense of responsibility, and the strength to lead meaningful lives. This year, we have received the All-Round Excellence Award at Times Now, Education Survey and Conclave. Also, our school has been ranked at second place in Times Now School Ranking 2024 for Greater Noida. This year our students have excelled across academics, sports and extracurricular activities. Academically, we are proud to announce that our school achieved remarkable results in board exams with over 15% of our students scoring above 90% marks in class 10th and 12th. Arushi Singh topped class 10 board examination with 99% and Tanish Yadav in class 12 with 97.6%. It's not written over here, but I would like to share, when I joined this school, I had a dream that I should produce IITians and NEET students, that they will be adjusted in different medical colleges and IITs and NITs within the span of 4 years. We have our student in NDA Air Force. We have last year one student IIT Kharagpur, and this year Tanish Yadav made it IIT Indore. I believe where you have good intentions, honesty, dedication, God helps you there. This year we had Tanishka Bhati, earlier we were not having, qualified NEET and joined Kalyan Singh Government College, Government Medical College. Our commitment to academic excellence is further strengthened by the excellent performance of our students in various Olympiads conducted by the SOF and the Global Kids Olympiad Organization. This year, our Interlip Bridge. Recently, we had the CBSE competition. There our students participated. They incubated Interlip Bridge project, and it has been selected for the nationals. Our students will be appearing for national competition now. The exemplary participation and performance of our students in various inter-school competitions where our students have won multiple awards in various extracurricular activities, events is truly commendable. In sports, Lakshya Rajtongar of class 12th won the gold medal in boxing at Delhi Olympic Games. Arshit Bhatia of class 12th won gold medal in Wushu at state level. Our under-14 girls team of Kabaddi won runners-up trophy in the School Federation of Athletics, while both under-14 boys and girls Kho-Kho and roll ball team won bronze medals in the district level. Our school's football team has been ranked in the top 8 teams out of 32 in the highly competitive CBSE clusters. These accomplishments would not have been possible without the guidance of our dedicated sports teacher and hard work of our students. Udyagam Purusha Sinham Utpati. Lakshmi, meaning fortune, follows the lion-hearted who put in hard work. Their dedication and sportsmanship are an inspiration, and we continue to support their talent through enhanced training facilities and dedicated coaching. On the cultural front, our students showcase remarkable talent in debates, drama, music and dance. Our annual inter-school event Artistry was a tremendous success with students participating enthusiastically in various art and different events. Sagacham Samvadam meaning move together, speak together, reflects the spirit of unity that our students have embodied. We are committed to instilling a strong value system in our students, teaching them empathy, respect and integrity. After all, education is not only about academic success, but about nurturing responsible and compassionate individuals who contribute positively to society. We extend heartfelt thanks to our teachers who have guided our students with passion and dedication, and to the parents for their unwavering support. Together we are nurturing the values of excellence, teamwork and integrity in our students. Dear students, on this note, Michael Phillips, who rightly said, you dream, you plan, you reach. There will be obstacles, there will be doubters, there will be mistakes, but with hard work, belief, confidence and trust in yourself and those around you, there are no limits. Students always remember, खेल व्यक्ति को जीतने की प्रेरणा देता है और हार में लड़ने की हिम्मत. Before I conclude, I would like to say Happy Children's Day to each and every student associated with GNWS. My dear children, always keep smiling, stay healthy, that is more important, and believe in yourself. Thank you for being part of our journey. Let's look forward to an even more successful year ahead. Thank you, parents. Thank you, everyone.